2026, the year, GMC decided to rewrite the definition of motorhome. What you're about to see isn't just a vehicle. It's a rolling fortress of power, technology, and comfort that feels like it came straight from the future. This is the 2026 GMC Motorhome. And trust me, you won't believe what's inside this beast. From the very first glance, the exterior alone commands attention. The massive front fascia gleams with GMC's signature chrome grille, oversized, layered, and outlined with precision LED beams that slice through darkness like laser edges. The sculpted body features deep aerodynamic channels that flow seamlessly from the roofline to the rear, designed not only for looks, but for efficiency, reducing drag on long hauls. The full-length panoramic windows stretch across the cabin sides, reflecting sunlight like a luxury yacht gliding across open water. Every contour feels intentional. Every surface screams presence. The lighting setup is pure theater. Dual adaptive LED headlights, golden underglow strips, and integrated rear ambient bars that pulse softly as you approach. Step closer, and the automatic door glides open silently, inviting you into a space that feels like a high-end penthouse on wheels. The moment you step inside, everything changes. The cabin is wrapped in hand-stitched Napa leather, bathed in soft golden lighting that instantly calms your senses. The walls feature real wood paneling with brushed aluminum trim, while the floors are finished in a deep walnut tone with sound-dampening insulation for absolute quiet. The 2026 GMC Motorhome isn't just about traveling, it's about traveling in total serenity. At the front, the driver's cockpit feels like a spaceship command center. A 22-inch curved OLED dashboard stretches across the entire width, displaying 3D navigation, engine telemetry, and customizable interface themes. The steering wheel, wrapped in suede with bronze stitching, features touch-sensitive controls for climate, entertainment, and AI navigation. GMC's new RoadSense Vision automatically scans terrain and traffic patterns, adapting suspension and torque distribution in real time. Under the hood lies the beating heart of this beast, a T3.4-liter twin-turbo Duramax hybrid engine, delivering 950 horsepower and a staggering 400 Nm of torque. Combined with a dual-motor electric assist system, the GMC Motorhome glides with silent authority at cruising speeds, yet can unleash brute power when needed. With adaptive air suspension, it levels automatically, no matter how uneven the ground beneath it.